And also, you don't need to keep hiring because you've got AI to help you with that. And whoever is working, for example, for a company, I would suggest that you learn about AI so that you are seen as valuable in the company, because everything is moving towards AI, for example. So that is the step 3, for example. You've got to also look at your titles and descriptions. I'm learning about this. I've just been talking about what it is I do and my titles, for example, over the years, for example. But things have kind of a bit changed, so I'm going with the new flow, for example. But like I said, YouTube is literally helping you to get more views. You've got a stronger chance, I believe, than me of getting more views because you're more newer on YouTube and you're a new creator. So you've got an even stronger chance, I believe so, than what I have, for example. But the key is the SEO, keyword research, titles, description. They got to be attention grabbing titles, not clickbait, but attention grabbing. You got to put tags, hashtags, use strategic keyword placements, for example. You got to also, step 4 is engage and convert viewers into clients. So always do a call to action, like book a free 15-minute appointment now, or here's my email, for example, and offer something. Some people want to buy from you. So how do they buy from you? How do they learn more? How do they get to know you more? So they get to book an appointment with you, or they can go onto your YouTube and see your email, for example. Or you can take them to a page for them to book an appointment, for example. So use all these different strategies. Okay? Now, another thing that you need to look at is you need to really look at creating a content plan to attract clients, for example. Think about, what is your strategy going to be? Are you going to do one video once a week? If you do it, it's going to take you a bit longer to monetize. If you're doing it for monetizing purposes, then definitely do one every single day, for example, until you really get into that algorithm, and then suddenly you could get a viral video. It can take some time, for example, but it can happen, for example, okay, because you see it all the time here on YouTube. So think about what your content is going to be, and then what the next thing that you should think about is always have a call to action. What do you want them to do next? How do you invite them to get to work with you, for example? Because at the end of the day, there's 2 ways. You're doing it for monetization purposes, or you're doing it to sell your services and your products, for example. That is key for whether you want to grow your business that way or whether you want to do it monetization wise. So think about what strategy that you want to use for growing your business.